Hi there guys and gals, good day to each and every one of you. Come over here, join me for my late lunch. Again, my ever-loving favorite, omelette. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. It's some kind of a big. Love it, love it. I also have here a variety of dried fishes. I also have squids, bisugo, espada, and oh gosh, I forgot to fry anchovies and tuyo. This could be my day. I'm trembling. Oh, sorry. This could be my day 35 of not eating meat like pork, chicken, beef. Come on. Sorry. You can do it for yourself, guys and gals. You still have 10 days for abstinence, for you to have indulgence with the Lord. Bye for now.